Hello, my name is Ryan and I'm one of the creators of InsightX. In this video, I wanted to show you a little bit of an overview on what you're seeing on your accounts page and what it does whenever you change some of the settings to your complete UI. So first off, on the top left, you can show your username, you can show your partner code or change that and wipe that as well. You can also show your user token. You can add your API keys, add another manual exchange, and we will have the option to delete here in the near future. You can do the same thing with your wallet addresses. You can add a new wallet address, edit the ones that you have here already, and then edit the nicknames, the address itself, and the time you entered that in. And you can also delete that address as well. Here on the top right, you have your payments and your invoices. You'll have your recent uploads in the middle with your CSVs and the XLXSs that you've uploaded from the different exchanges. And on this far right, I wanted to show you the user settings here. Currently, we don't have the color mode, which will be dark, light, and colorblind mode. But we do have the option to toggle the ticker that you see down here. You can completely hide that ticker if you like. If you don't want that to be a distraction, you can show the detailed version of that ticker if you like, and it gives you a nice little a spark line. And also you can show the minimized version here as well. You can also just show a specific amount of value in terms of different fiats. So if you wanted to hide any of the currencies that your portfolio holds that is less than any of these, so let's say the USD, I wanted to change to just anything that's less than $10 I don't want to see, just as kind of like a dust hider. You can also choose what you see in terms of different fiats. Currently, we only have these 5 right now, but we will be expanding that in the future. You can also select your time zone, which I'm in Central right now, so I'll keep that here at US Central. And you can also change the performers display, and this will show you on each row how many performers you're going to see, the top performers and bottom performers. So we'll change that one as well. Let's just do 3 just as an example. So once you have these set, you can save these changes. The ticker actually dynamically changes whenever you select the button that you would like, but we've got that in there, and let's go to the portfolio page to show you the difference in these performer displays. So I've got that set to 3. So what that's going to do is it's going to show you the top performer and bottom performers list, and you're only going to see 3 assets on each. You can go all the way up to 10, but since we've set this to 3, we have the top 3 that we've seen in the portfolio and the bottom 3, and these are only going to apply to what you're actually holding on in your portfolio. So it's just going to be the top performers and the bottom performers of the actual assets that you hold. If any of these assets were less than $10, they would not show up, or if they didn't have a value at all, they would not show up. I do know that a lot of times you get airdrops from Binance and then they won't hold any value because they don't really have an exchange, or any airdrops in general that might not have uh, hardly any value at all. But you'll have that, and those will be hidden from your account if you don't want to see those. They will also be hidden on your coins page as well. So if you had selected something like a really large amount, like you hide anything that's $1,000 or less, anything that's less than $1,000 would be hidden from here, and you wouldn't see that. Um, but everything else is pretty much set, and that's pretty much the rundown of your accounts page. And like I was saying, over here, the different fiat you can change. We can do that real quick as well. I'll go ahead and change that to Euro for us, and then go back to the portfolio page real quick, and then load that up. And what it will do is it'll convert all of your fiat conversions into euros. And it should show you your portfolio balance in euros. So down here, and then it'll give you your percent change. And this is in euros as well, but what this does, we still have to improve and enhance the options where it actually show you the actual fiat that you're viewing. but you can also look at your euro here as well. And then we will be adjusting the percentage change once we have the fiat versions selected as well pretty soon. Alright, well that's going to be it for this video. I appreciate you watching, and I will talk to you in the next one.